Hi guys, Keith Beausoleil with Fortified Insurance Agency. I'm in my backyard today and I'm getting one of my generators ready for the winter. The biggest challenge with getting your generator ready is knowing if you have a clogged carburetor or not. A lot of our fuels today have ethanol and it clogs the carburetor. So if you've had a generator in the past and you went to start it, doesn't start, it's most likely because you left old fuel in it. This generator has been stored with non-ethanol fuel. The last time we used it to drain the tank down almost to the very end of it, put that non-ethanol fuel in there, and then ran it through some more, so we know the carburetor should be nice and clean. This one has a very simple start procedure. We're just going to turn the fuel on, and that's going to start to get into the carburetor. Move it to the on position. We'll give it a pull start. So that startup right there is a result of using non-ethanol fuel in this generator, and this thing is ready to go in the event we lose power, need to heat the house, and have some other emergency, or let somebody borrow this to get their house back up and warm. This is a piece of emergency equipment. It really needs to work when you have an emergency, when your power's out. You don't want to fuss with issues or problems with this thing. It really needs to work. You want to have your oil changed before the season comes, and you want to make sure that fuel system is clean and it's working. The other thing I'd say about generators is you have to be really careful, because if you misuse a generator, you can backfeed your power into your house and you can short your whole electrical system. Make sure you have a professional licensed electrician install your generator with a proper hookup if you have one of these portables like this, and make sure you have the instructions on how to go to your circuit breaker and switch over the power to the generator from your main house system. So again, so you're not going to backfeed or short your whole system out in your house. Thanks for watching. I'm Keith with Fortified Insurance Agency.